solar plexus is about. So we have to be passionate about our purpose in order to be powerful. And when you think about the people that you consider powerful, they are passionate about their purpose. They are living according to their purpose. They're not living according to someone else's dictations. They're using their gifts to live. So that in itself makes us powerful. That is how we balance ourselves. We have to be true to ourselves. We have to honor ourselves and be passionate about life itself. Be passionate about our gifts. Be passionate about, all the things that we have and all the good things that's coming. Whatever it is that we can find to just excite us. Get that blood flowing. Because, it's that feeling. That's how we manifest things. Mm-hmm. You can't manifest stuff if you're on a low vibration. That passion raises our vibration. That lights our fire. That solar plexus energy is that fire inside. So when it's lit, we can do. We don't need to procrastinate. We like, okay, I'm going to get that done as soon as I think about it, because I know if I don't, I'm going to forget. So that is the energy that we need in order to really be able to move, especially in the time that we're in right now. We're in a time of spiritual war. We don't have time to be playing no games. We don't have time to be slacking or hesitating when we hear something, because that part of us, this vitality, this is also where our gut and our intuition is, right? Mm-hmm. When we get that feeling to do something, that is our spirit guides, it's our higher self guiding us. Come on in, my sister, get you a seat. It's from our intuition that our higher self speaks and guides us to use our gifts, to live according to our purpose. And in fact, that's how you find your purpose. You got to tune into yourself and ask yourself, why am I here? And then just be quiet and listen and wait until you get an answer. And then when you get that answer, I know you've been through this, I think we had this conversation. Once you get the answer, then you have to find a way to live according to your purpose. Now, I know when I got the answer for my purpose, they said, bring them to the light. You bring them to the light. And I just had to lay there like, well, what does that mean? So it might not be a clear message the way it comes, but it's going to give you some parameters to understand your purpose. So for me, bringing them to the light was teaching, was doing healing work, energy, light work, so that I could help enlighten people. That's my purpose. And I'm so passionate about it. I love it. In fact, when I have to teach or speak or do a class, that's my favorite day, for real. If I'm not doing this work, then I'm kind of like, sitting with a lower vibration and waiting until that next time that I could do what I came back here to do. It makes me passionate and it makes me powerful. It makes me feel powerful, because I know I'm doing what the Most High sent for me to do. So we have to relate those three things, the passion, the power, and the purpose, so that we could truly fulfill our destiny and truly be healthy and well and do, because that is what the universe is waiting for right now. It's for all of us to remember our purpose and to live according to our purpose. If everyone would just stop serving the corporate jobs and just do what they came back here to do, the whole world will shift in days. That's all it would take. So that's how powerful purpose is. And we all have it. We're all powerful beings. We're all aspects of the Most High. We are co-creators. We can create whatever we put our minds to. When we put the energy to it, we put the words to it, we put some action to it, it becomes something. That's our power. Animals can't do it. But us humans, we can, So we have to use that. We have to remember that. And we have to activate our solar energy. So I'm going to, of course, I got to do some chanting with you all. Yes. And one chant that we like to do for the solar plexus is Ob. And Ob is a Kemetic word for solar plexus. And so I want you to just put your hand here right under your rib cage. And you're going to breathe out. You're going to breathe in. And we're all going to chant, again. Now this time, if you did not do it before, I want you to do it and expand your abdomen while you're chanting and see how that feels, okay? So breathe out and breathe in. How did that feel? You feel a little vibration?
Yeah, you
felt that expansion?
Yeah.
All right.